Why do we need? Well, first of all, we have a lot of surge protectors on computers and TVs and stuff like that, but we don't see many on heating and air units, and that's really one of the most expensive appliances.
Yeah, absolutely, and there's no good method for surge protectors on heating and air units. So what you generally see when you do want to protect your unit is a lightning arrestor, something that protects large surges, because your general surge protectors that you're using on your computers and all that are detecting very small amounts of surges to protect items that run on very low voltage, whereas your unit has items that are high voltage, but also has circuit boards that are low voltage. And so there's different levels of lightning arrestors. There's one for your low voltage portion of the unit. There's one for your high voltage portion of the unit. Definitely a good idea, especially in the southeast where lightning storms are very common in the summertime. And over the course of a summer, we'll have lightning issues with compressors at least once a week that we go out and address, and have to sign an affidavit that lightning has struck the unit.
And two, we have a lot of, you said a lot of storms, but we have, it's 95 degrees 1 minute, and then 5 minutes later it's 75 degrees.
Yeah.
I imagine that's a problem with power.
Yeah, or issues where the power's out, and when the power first comes back on, we get a surge of power, or when the power abruptly ends and has those flickers that we all experience. The voltage can change over that time period and cause high voltage spikes and do some damage.
Yeah. So lightning arrestor, good idea.
Lightning arrestor, very good idea.
Yeah. So we have a low voltage, which we install a lot on the zone systems, things like that, and then we have a standard one that we install for the units. And if you have two pieces, should one be on each outdoor and indoor piece?
Absolutely. And everywhere there's a connection to your main power source, your panel, you need to have a lightning arrestor. You would, if you have two pieces, you'd put one on the outdoor unit, your indoor unit, and then there's a low voltage, your thermostat wire that goes between the two units. Yeah. You would tie your low voltage lightning arrestor to that portion of it. So, and if you wanted something, they do make whole house surge protectors that go in your panel that are more suited for handling surges, but for your unit itself, you're generally dealing with lightning arrestors.